Hey YouTube, just another day at Satch's garage. I just moved the Chevy and I didn't have the radio going or anything, and I know how to, here's the Chevy for right now. I know how to lift or tick for a while, but this one sounded internal, and I only built the motor 6-7 years ago. I should develop a rod knock. That's not good. Oh, well, on other news, I do have a donor motor out of a newer truck. This one's a 350 Vortec. I just gotta buy the Vortec intake for it and swap all my accessories over. I don't know, future ideas.